Alright folks, Mark here, RC Planes, Couplers, and Trucks. We've got the Grando out, which is now a Jeep Cherokee. And we've got our snow chains on now. Got our snow chains installed on the rear. Yeah, babies. Oh boy. So let's see how she does in the snow. See if I got the chain set up right. And all that kind of thing. So let's just see what happens here, folks. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright. See what's in my way here. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if the chains work. See if they stay on and all that kind of good stuff. Oh yeah. Folks. These are working good. Folks, these are working real good. Real good. They are really working good, folks. Look at that. They were working like $1 million, folks. Like $1 million. They work like $1 million, folks. These chains are badass. Badass. Look at that, folks. Seriously, these chains work like $1 million. They really do, folks. They really do. Alright, folks. First test of the chains in the backyard. They work like $1 million. So next thing is off-road crawling with the chains. Thanks for watching. Unless you see a video you don't like of mine, I sure would appreciate it if you hit the like button on anything you like. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Bye.